We're going to put 3 tablespoons of baking soda into this glass bottle.
Please.
So,
we're gonna make a glitter explosion, and you need baking soda, food coloring, glitter, water, vinegar, glass vase, and first we're gonna get 3 tablespoons of this. Here, you can do this. Oh, and we have my friend Nico joining us. So, can you get it? It's probably good. Here. Boom. Okay, so now
it's about
just dump that in. That's good. Oh,
it's a little sloppy, but we can do.
Here, do you want me to do this one?
You can do the next one. Do we have something that could be like funnel? After these 3 tablespoons, we'll put 6 drops of food coloring in.
Who cares?
Okay.
Do you want to do this? Or
No, you can do
Okay. This is taking forever.
So now we'll do 6 drops of food coloring.
Yeah, you can do that. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now we need this and this.
1 scoop of glitter.
So
1 scoop of glitter.
1 tablespoon. So now we'll do 1 tablespoon of red glitter.
Parker, put it over here in case you get it all over.
It might be.
Okay, is that good?
And now 1 cup of vinegar.
Now 1 cup of vinegar, or 1 tablespoon.
Just dump it in.
So
Let's hope it works.
So just this whole thing? Yeet in it. Then
Let him dump something.
here you can dump some. Whoa! You got it all in. Whoa! Feel it.
Well, I guess that's what baking soda and vinegar does.
Feel it. This is like Coke and Mentos. Ooh.
Feel the glitter.
Whoa!
Feel the glitter.
Come get a little.
Feel the glitter, dude. Feel it.
Yeah, see those like.
Feel the little stuff. That's kind of weird. It's like swampy. Do you have any more vinegar?
Oh.
Here, Parker.
Napkins too.
Up to them.
I'll do that.
Oh, napkin. Okay, so this worked pretty good actually.
This is a nice experiment.
I'm just
That's good.
eating
That's
it.
good.
No, just do some.
Do you need more
Yeah, that's good. That's
baking
good.
baking
That's
soda?
good.
That's
Dude,
good.
what the heck?
Do you need more
Eating
baking soda, maybe?
Yeah, more.
I'll
A
hold
little more. Baking soda.
Put a lot in.
Here, what if we did this?
Yeah. Just eat it. We're mad scientists.
We don't care how this goes.
Oh!
We better put more glitter in too.
All right, go ahead.
Okay.
Wait,
Put a lot of food coloring
Let
in.
him
All
do
of
it,
it?
Park. Let him do
all
it.
of it?
No, just
No.
a little bit.
That would be too much.
What if you put more food?
No, you can just dump a little bit. Do it over there. So
Do a lot.
That's good.
Okay.
All right.
Some baking soda.
You should do.
Just give it a shot with the vinegar. Parker, you have it in the cup.
Wait, try yellow so it makes orange.
Okay.
Put a lot of that in.
That's good. That's good.
Hopefully that doesn't.
In. That was smart. Let's do all yellow so it mixes in with that red. Wait.
He wants to add more yellow.
Add more.
And you might need some more baking soda.
Yeah. Let's add some
Let's
more.
add some more baking soda.
Do
It might be a little too much.
Yeah.
We're Maddies.
Right?
Oh,
This
look,
could
it's coming up already.
this could all be orange.
That's enough, Park. That's enough.
See, it's all orange. See all that orange? Cause all the yellow.
It looks like crushed.
He's a bad man.
Oh my god. I'm mad scientist.
That's
Okay.
probably good. No, that's probably good. And so back up. Ask
More
them.
baking soda.
So what would you rate this?
10 out of
10.
Okay, let's try this one more time.
Let's
Okay.
add some more glitter.
Yep, let's just over this.
No duh. Ooh, that
Let's put that in. We're mad scientists.
mad man.
Okay.
Put some more baking soda in
Let's
too.
put blue.
Oh yeah, put blue and green. See
Yeah.
what that makes. It's gonna make brown or something.
Yeah.
That's good.
Okay.
Ready?
So now.
Wait, let's wait till it runs down a little bit. We might want to add some water. But would water slow it down maybe?
No.
Park, that's pretty good.
No.
Let's go. We might need a bigger tub.
I think we're golden.
We're not going. We're green.
Wait.
Ooh, red.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Okay. So.
3, say bye.
Okay. So that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Nico, you were great. Bye.